To make this easy protein hot chocolate, we're going to start by making the mix. We're going to combine our chocolate whey protein powder and our sweetener. I'm using stevia in the video, but you can use whatever sweetener you like. Combine those, just give them a little whisk, a little stir. And then we're going to add in the cocoa. And when you add in the cocoa, you really do want to sift it to get out the lumps. So if you don't have a flour sifter, you can just use a small strainer like I'm doing here. Just tap the strainer and the cocoa will go through. And then when you get down to the bigger lumps at the end, just use a spoon to get them through. We'll give it another stir. And your mix is ready. And I'm going to spoon this into a jar before preparing a cup of hot chocolate. To prepare a serving of hot chocolate, we're going to start by pouring 6 ounces of your favorite milk. I'm just going to microwave mine to warm it up, but of course you could use a saucepan if that is easier for you. Add 2 heaping spoonfuls of our new protein hot cocoa mix. And give it a good stir, or if you happen to have a milk frother, that works very nicely too. If you don't have a milk frother and you're using a spoon, give it a good stir, and if you see it not fully combining, you still have some lumps, let it sit for a minute or two and then go back and stir it again. It'll be smooth then. And I like to top my hot chocolate with mini marshmallows. And there you have it, protein hot chocolate. Enjoy!